In this video, I'm going to walk you through the materials prep for Lesson 8 of Unit B1 from Open Syed. Okay, this is all about using the computational model program called Sage Modeler. It will take a little getting used to, but it's actually a pretty awesome program. So what you're going to do, first of all, let's look at the handouts. There will be a Serengeti component interactions. That is a handout that students will complete as they go through this lesson. This is going to be a jigsaw, Serengeti component articles. There are 8 different organisms that you're going to jigsaw out into groups. You will print out, each group will have a printout, which call it a one card. So they're all together in this handout. It's best if you can do color. To be quite honest, I would probably just put this digitally on an LMS and have one person have or multiple people have the laptop open or Chromebook open as you go through and introduce the different organisms that we are introducing in these component articles. They will need a progress tracker at the end of the lesson. Also, we're going to reflect on the conservation profile organizer, and there's an exit ticket. So again, you'll need to make a copy. You can edit this, but you need to make a copy. So when students respond, the answers will go into your Google Drive. We're going to use Google Drive for another thing here too, and that is for the Sage Modeler. So you can save the modifications you make into Google Drive. And so watch the videos to see how you can do this. You're going to create a different Sage model with each class. And so there's a template. This is the template you'll start with. So it already has all the organisms uploaded and the first few interactions in the modeler in there. So every class will start with the same template. And then as you go through day 1, you're going to get suggestions from the students and kind of do what they're telling you to do on the computer. You're basically showing how to use the Sage Modeler because the next day they're going to use it themselves. And so we're going to add different components as students suggest it. So the models will look a little different from class period to class period. At the end of day 1, you're going to add 3 disturbances to that Sage modeler, fire, disease, and there's one more. So you will then save a copy, in your Google Drive. You're going to get a link to that saved copy, and you're going to provide that link to students for day 2. So if you do not have access to different technology devices, you can do day 2 as a class on the board like you did day 1. Okay, down below is talking about making copies. Here is the Sage Modeler template that you will manipulate on day 1. Here is an example of what it could look like at the end of your day 1 with students. And then you're going to use the ones they create. You're going to save it period 1. And then you're going to add rain, fire, and disease as the disturbances. Save that file and share that link out to students so they start with the day 1 model with the disturbances already there. So that is something. These are a bunch of links you're going to need to play with. You're also going to organize your class into 8 jigsaw groups. And so you want to figure out how are you going to do this. Each student will need 1 card for their component that they are researching. And so you'll need 8 groups. You'll print out the 8 different cards for 1 card for each person in a group. And then that's, I think, about it. You're going to need 4 copies of the Serengeti component articles. That's what I was just talking about. So that's if you have 32 students, you'll need 4 copies of those articles. All right. Definitely something you need to play with is the Sage Modeler. It's kind of weird at first, but it's actually, it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. So good luck and enjoy your Sage Modeler.